Welcome to Our Workplace. Our Workplace is a confidential way for employees to report ideas, suggestions, or problems about their workplace that they may not want to discuss with their supervisor or other management, or they simply may not know where they should report the information. Our Workplace is a web-based tool that any employee can access from home, or work, or anywhere there is internet access. It's available for employees 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Employees can confidently communicate their thoughts about information or situations they believe may need attention, or offer suggestions about ways to improve the workplace. Although it's not required, employees who would like a response to their report may provide their name and contact information. Employee comments, questions, or suggestions submitted through Our Workplace are viewed by the professional support team at Allen Gibson Hewlett LC and are routed to a designated party within the employee's company based on the type of comment. To submit a report online, you'll first go to www.ourworkplace.com. You will need your employer's unique access code, which you should have been given when you were hired. It also may be available on posters in your office, or you can also obtain the code from your HR department. When the sign-in page comes up on the opening screen, enter your employer's access code in the box on the left side of the screen. A message from your employer will appear on the next page. As soon as you are ready, click on the Next button at the bottom of the page. Please choose whether you would like to report a suggestion or a concern and click on the appropriate button. Once you have made your selection, click the Next button. Note there is also a Back button available if you would like to go back and change any information that you have previously entered. If you report a concern, you will be asked to identify the type of concern by choosing one or more of the options listed on the screen. You are also asked to describe the issue in as much detail as possible. Once you have provided a written explanation, click the Next button. To help your employer learn more about and work to resolve the matter, you'll also be asked to give specific dates or times related to the concern, as well as information about anyone else involved in the issue or who may have witnessed the concern. After you complete both sections, click the Next button. The next screen asks for information about where the event happened and if you have taken any action yourself. After you answer both questions, click the Next button. At this point, the site will remind you that Our Workplace should not be used to report or seek help in emergencies. If you feel your situation is an emergency, you should call 911 for emergency services. Please enter any information regarding a deadline or important dates related to your concern. Then click the Next button. On the next page, you'll have the chance to add any comments that you feel should be included that you haven't already entered or explained prior to this point. Then click the Next button. This is the summary page. Here you'll receive a confirmation number which is unique and specific to your report, and a review of all the information you have provided so far. Below each section you will see a Change button which allows you to correct or change any of the information you have provided up to this point. At the bottom of this page you'll have an option to print your report. Once you have made any changes and the report is exactly as you want it to be, choose the Submit button to enter your report. The final page states that Our Workplace is confidential and anonymous, but that if you would like to be contacted or receive a response to your report, you can provide your contact information. Click the Finish button when you are done. The Thank You page is your confirmation that your report has been submitted. The Home button will take you back to the Sign-In page where you started with your employer access code. Your employer has invested in Our Workplace to allow you a convenient, confidential way to report your ideas, suggestions, or concerns And your reports are an important way to let you share your thoughts with your employer if you don't feel comfortable doing so through your manager. All you need is your employer code and access to the internet to get started and to share concerns or ideas with the potential to help make your organization a more effective, enjoyable, and efficient place to work.